Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So, big drawdown yesterday, got that big clip, then our big rip, and we had bearish flow through most of the day. But watch here, while we got that rip, we had no convergence. We say all of the time, keep an eye on convergence, and that could have shown you that we could have seen somewhat of a contrary move, which we indeed did. That's your first thing right there. So jumping into the rest of everything else, we did have a small red DEX after 4 consecutive greens. So we'll see how that pans out. SPY is about 551 in the PM session. And right now it shows our upper whale target as, guess what, 551. We had 560 roll off the board yesterday. Very interesting to see how that's going to pan out to me if we get that 560 to pop back up, but we continue up. We'll find out soon enough. And customers got slightly more bullish away from that neutral yesterday, but still not a whole lot going on. Would love to see a much larger green bar up if we're going to go back into a bullish mode. I'd also like to see whale targets that are further up to the upside there as we go along. As far as dark pool goes, no sig prints to worry about. Largest ag moved up just barely a couple of bucks. And remember, the further we spend away from that price-wise, the more likely we are to find it again at some point. So 528.05, I use the bot ping. As I've always said, I like that one a little bit better, but for the purposes of the video, we stick here. As you can see here, our highest dark pools have all started to drop a little bit. We had some at 568 last week. We've now moved down to our highest at 549, just on our aggregation there. So interesting to see. Jumping into our gamma. Well, gamma is wild on the ag. 550 is the biggest pull, and it's stupid thin up to 575. And then we have a little bit of stop at 549, and then tiny little repel levels all the way down to 535, down to 525. So kind of crazy what it looks like. It's even thin on the positive side on the ag. So let's go ahead and take a look at today, 429, and see what that looks like. So 429, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit here so I can see it better. We can get a little bit better view. So same thing as yesterday. This 549, 550 area is what we want to hold on to. 551 as well, which is where we are right now. This cluster right here is what we want to hold on to. If we're a bull, we want to hold on to that and get on up to 569. Pretty far away from price, but we've seen crazier shit happen for sure. Then, if we're a bear, we want to lose this area here and bump through all these tiny little clusters right here and get on down to 540. Two biggest pulls on the board are 530 and 569. Dear Lord, please do not chop us in between these three levels all day. We'll find out soon enough. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.